This is for a Acura touchscreen replacement radio that looks like this one. I've already removed it from the body. There's only like 4 screws, if I remember correctly. And you're going to have to remove this little tab right here. To get to the touchscreen, you have to remove these 5 screws. After you remove the screws, you're going to have to remove these little tabs. Be very careful, do not break them. Because once you break them, you cannot replace them. You want to remove this tab right here. And this pops right off. And then this pops out. So next we're going to have to remove this metal bracket that goes around it, because you're going to put some double-sided tape around the whole screen so the touchscreen can stick to it. So after you put the double-sided tape on, it should look like this. And then you're just gonna put it in just like that. After that, put the metal bracket back on just like this. So after that, put the metal bracket on with that plastic ring around it, close it just like this. Don't forget to put this piece back in. I forgot to put this piece back in quite a few times, and I just forgot about it right now. It goes right here. So you can install it 2 different ways. I like it more flush, just like this. Without using this and this piece. That's the way I like it. You can do it any way you want. It's up to you. Now just plug her all in and we're pretty much ready to go. You'll either get a touchscreen like this one with this on there, or you'll get one of these. And it's just gonna plug right on in. But this was my last one, so I gotta go with this one. So this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. Flush. Thank you for watching the video.